The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
We never know when an unexpected turn of events could leave us in need of good legal representation, whether that's a car crash, an accident at work, or a disability claim. It's reassuring to have a knowledgeable attorney in your network. Richard Smith is here to discuss common legal areas that we all have questions about. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning, Margaret.
First, you have been serving the community since 1987. Talk to us a little bit about your background and what led you to be an attorney.
Well, my father was a police officer in Dallas, and we moved to South Carolina, and he started working at the hospital as a security director. And then I went to law school. Always kind of liked the idea of practicing law, but didn't know anything about it. Nobody in my family had gone to law school. And then I discovered not long afterwards that really my life's mission was to help people fight against the big and powerful. I mean, my clients are all everyday people who get hurt on the job, who get hurt in a car accident, and they're going against powerful insurance companies, big corporations that have unlimited resources. And without an attorney to help them, they're really at the mercy of the insurance company. And that's why I decided to start, being there to help them.
I know it's rewarding work too. Smith Injury Law practices in areas like personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, Social Security disability claims, and every case is handled by you personally or your partner, Scott Becky. Talk to us about why that's important.
It's important because I think it matters if you have an experienced attorney on the case. I mean, I've been practicing law for more than 30 years, and Scott's been practicing law for over 20 years. Probably closer to 30, but not, in a short period of time. And we've seen it all. I mean, Scott was a former defense attorney. He used to represent insurance companies. I've always been on the plaintiff side, but we've seen everything out there. And I think it makes a difference because we know how to advise the client and give the client the best advice so that they make the right decision because it is the client's decision. Our job is to educate the client as to what is in their best interest, get them the best result, and they know that we're there ready and willing to fight for them.
So you're all about the working for the people, educating the client, which is exactly why you wrote the book on the mistakes people make after an auto accident case. Talk to us about that book and why you wrote it.
Well, you're exactly right. I wrote the book to educate people. I see mistakes being made over and over again, and it's very frustrating to me because I see people get taken advantage of. They lose a lot of money that they need to feed their family, to pay their bills because they make a mistake early on in their case. They fail to get the proper medical treatment. They have gaps in treatment. They go to the wrong providers. They give recorded statements when they shouldn't, and they just don't understand how that affects their case.
Well, we will get into a lot of those mistakes people make in upcoming segments as we work to get the word out about what you want people to know to protect their case. Meanwhile, your number is on screen now. Viewers can reach out to you by calling 300HURT or visiting 300hurt.com. Richard Smith of Smith Injury Law, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.